to Mimi and Pie. Pie Mimi. I'm definitely not making this up as I go along. Mimi and Pie. Pie Mimi. We definitely know how to teach things.
And then I walk back to Mimi and Baby definitely know how to teach things.
We totally do.
Yeah, I forgot what we're gonna talk about.
You have to go back to the previous video and watch it and find out.
Pizza.
I think it was lightning.
Lightning.
Yeah,
I got an idea. We should put some lightning on our pizza, and our pizza will give us energy.
that will kill us.
No way.
Lightning is very powerful, which can just...
Then how come the cartoons are always okay?
Because they do not affect real people.
Because lightning doesn't affect real people. Got it. So let's put lightning on a pizza.
And also I hope Daddy Sauce put Pokemon on the screen on last video.
I don't know.
No boogers.
Somebody's put Pokemon. Pikachu can learn Thunderbolt.
Well, I'll go in and start getting stuff right.
I must really hit what? Well, anyways, we're here where we need to be.
I hope you guys learned absolutely nothing about pizza.
Lightning!
Lightning pizza.
No!
Just lightning.
Yes!
Okay. Bye.